How's it going? This is Jacob Rothenberg with eXp Realty, and in today's video I'm going to show you a property that closed at $97,000 here in the Bella Vita community just off of West Flamingo. And this is actually the residence of my little brother who is about to move in here, and my mom has an investment property in the same community. So needless to say, I know this community fairly well. It's 2 minutes away from Palms Place. It's a 10-minute drive to the Strip, adjacent to Chinatown, and it's overall a really nice community for those who are either a first-time home buyer or someone that simply wants to live with low overhead, and also for those of you who want to invest in a property relatively cheaply here in Nevada and inevitably want to rent it out and make some cash flow. So I'll be honest, next time a property is under 100K around here, I'll be buying it too. But I'll give you guys a chance to take a look and see what you think and see what you can get for 100K. So let's head in. So this property is unit 443. It's on Indian River Road, just off of West Flamingo and Decatur. Now there is a tennis court up ahead. Don't know if I can get that shot clearly here. Multiple tennis courts in this complex, along with swimming pools, clubhouse, gym, and gated security at the front, along with landscaping. Now, all that is inclusive with the HOA being around the vicinity of $150. And along with a very quick property tour, this won't take long, as a walkthrough, I'm also going to talk about what to look for when you're buying a property at this price range. So we've got carpeted flooring. It's going to be a given at this price range. My brother decided to put a bed in the main area. That's okay. Kind of copied that idea off of me in California. Here it is where you can put your dining table, your workspace if you wanted to. This unit has an abundance of closets, and we'll see that in a bit. Kitchen area. So we have a few microwaves here. Whenever you're buying something as is, you're never going to really, or very rarely going to have appliances that work 100% fine. So as is means we had to accept the property without any repairs being done prior. So this microwave doesn't work. We're gonna have it replaced with one of these units that we have here. But otherwise, we have stovetop, undermount countertop sink. They had to replace the faucet, however. That was a nice touch. Dishwasher. Many drawers, closets. And we have a couple closets here. Now, this is the bedroom. And then as well, the bathroom. So while it's honestly a modest property, again, this closed for $97,000. One bedroom, one bath in Vegas. Compare that to a one bedroom, one bath in the Bay Area and see what you can find. My first home was a one bed, one bath condo in Concord, which closed when I bought it at $250,000. And this is actually a bigger property with better amenities, being 10 minutes away from the Strip. So I wish this had been my first time property. And honestly, I'd probably live here if I could. And I'll perhaps pick a unit up once a good deal comes along. So one thing that I did want to mention, whenever you're buying a property at this price range, although it's likely going to be sold as is, you still want to test to make sure faucets work. So not only do you want to test things like faucets running, make sure that the hot and cold actually work. It's not good enough just to verify that the faucets run. So give it a minute to run. Definitely give the air conditioner, the AC unit, a chance to run as well. Even if it's in December, test the AC, test the heater, and make sure that it works. Make sure that it doesn't just run. Make sure it actually blows hot and cold air. So even if you are buying as is, you'll at least know what to deal with, what to quickly renovate and repair in your unit before you actually live in it and settle, just to remove some inconveniences and hassles once you actually live in such a property. So that's all I've really got to say for this one. This is pretty straightforward. Now, I should obviously mention that there is a balcony, standard with every unit here in Bella Vita. So you get your little balcony with a washer dryer space. This place did come with a washer dryer, and yeah, you have a lot of nice common areas. So let's head on out. So again, this is the Bella Vita community here in Las Vegas. Literally walking distance from Palms Place, 10 minutes away from the Strip. As far as location goes, I might be puffing a little bit, but this is an awesome location, and it's honestly hard to beat on the West Flamingo side with regards to proximity to the Strip. And with HOA, you're having landscaping done, so you've got your amenities, your water bill is covered. So with the HOA fee, it's really breaking even with what you'd pay with at least your water bill and your landscaping, along with what you've got here. So if you're interested in buying a home in Las Vegas, I'm going to leave you a link below in the description of this video. Let's get in touch, fill out the form, and I'll give you a call, and let's see how we can get you moved into Vegas and living an awesome Las Vegas lifestyle. See you later.